Nice question here. We're trying to basically work out the different numbers of edges that we can get when we do two straight cuts to a piece of paper. So the first thing I did is I tried to minimize the number of edges. I thought, how can I minimize it? I'm just going to cut along the diagonal. So that will leave me with two triangles like this. So I've only got 6 edges. And if I do another cut here, I can't do any fewer than this. I'm going to end up with 3 here, and then I've got 2 triangles, in fact. So it's possible to get 9. Then I looked at how could I make the most edges. So what we can do now is just actually, if we cut it down the middle, then we're going to end up with 8 at the start. And then if I cut it down, one of the middles again, you can see that we're going to get 12. Now it's not going to be possible to create an extra edge actually to get to 13. So we can immediately see that E is going to be the answer. There's no way I could get like 2 quadrilaterals and a pentagon, for example. Let's just finish this by seeing that we can get 10 and 11. So I'm going to start again with the triangle, I think. And then I've got 6. Now, is it then possible to cut this and create an extra one? Well, if I cut it instead about the diagonal, if I cut it here, then you can see that I'm going to end up with a triangle, and a quadrilateral. Maybe I will draw it out. I was going to leave it just because of space, but let's do it. Okay, so that means that 10 is going to be possible. And finally, how can I get 11? Well, I'm going to now follow the process of trying to get the most, because you can see when I did this first bit, I got 6. When I did this first bit, I got 8. So I got two more. So if I now cut it in half at the start, right, but I don't want to cut it. I want to cut it in half now, but I want to try to get just a 4, 4, and a 3. So what can I do? Well, if I cut it here, I'm going to get 4 and 4. If I cut it here, I'm going to get 3, 3, and 4. What if I do that? Okay, now I can get 2 quadrilaterals and a triangle. So that will give me 4 plus 4 plus 3, hence 11 sides. Yeah, really like that question.